Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Career Prep. In this video, we'll answer a few questions on the topic assertion and reason. Since questions based on this topic are most frequently asked in competitive exams, it makes sense to understand the concept well. Questions are dealt with in this video along with clear explanations to make you understand the concept clearly. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel. Also press the bell icon to get notifications as soon as we post a new video. So let's start. Before solving problems on the topic assertion and reason, first read the given directions carefully. Directions for the questions. In each of the given questions, there are two statements marked as assertion A and reason R. Mark your answer as per the codes provided below. Mark your answer as 1 if both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Mark your answer as 2 if both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation of A. Mark your answer as 3 if A is true but R is false. Mark your answer as 4 if A is false but R is true. Mark your answer as 5 if both A and R are false. Assertion. Increased levels of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere would melt the polar ice. Reason. Increased levels of carbon dioxide would increase the temperature. Now it's known that carbon dioxide traps the heat in the atmosphere. If the carbon dioxide level rises, more heat will be trapped in the atmosphere. This would increase the temperature and eventually the polar ice would melt. So as you can see, both the assertion and the reason are true, and the reason is the correct explanation of the assertion. So the correct answer is option 1. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Assertion. Baking soda helps reduce stomach acidity. Reason. It is a powerful natural cleaner. We know that baking soda is alkaline in nature, so it helps reduce stomach acidity. Baking soda is also used as a cleaning agent. So both the assertion and reason are true, but the reason is not the correct explanation of the assertion. So the correct answer is option 2. Both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. Assertion. Eskimos reside in igloos. Reason. No other material except snow is available. Now snow houses are called igloos. Because snow is a bad conductor of heat, the snow houses are very warm inside. So Eskimos live in igloos. So the assertion is true. The reason is false since materials other than snow are also available. The correct answer is option 3. A is true but R is false. Assertion. All the crow species are entirely black in color. Reason. The color of the crows is a biological adaptation. Now the assertion says that all the crow species are entirely black in color. Now to say that all crows are black is not correct, as there are species of the common crow that are grey in color. So the assertion is not right. Now the reason says the color of the crows is a biological adaptation, which is correct. So as you can see, the assertion is false but reason is true. So the correct answer is option 4. A is false but R is true. Assertion. The filament inside a bulb is made of copper. Reason. Usually there is a vacuum in the bulb. Now the assertion says the filament inside a bulb is made of copper. This is false because a bulb filament is made of tungsten and not copper. Reason says usually there is a vacuum in the bulb. This is also false because inert gases or nitrogen is filled inside the tube. There is no vacuum in the bulb. So as you can see, both the assertion and reason are false. So the correct answer is option 5. Both A and R are false. Assertion. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius at sea level. Reason. Atmospheric pressure affects the boiling point of water. Now, boiling point of water is the temperature at which the water begins to turn into vapor, which occurs when its vapor pressure equals the atmospheric pressure. Now, the boiling point of water will change with changes in atmospheric pressure. Now, the higher you go, the lower is the atmospheric pressure. So, at sea level, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius, whereas at levels above sea level, since the atmospheric pressure is lower, the water will boil at a lower temperature. So, as you can see, atmospheric pressure affects the boiling point of water. So both the assertion and reason are true, and the reason is the correct explanation of the assertion. The correct answer is option 1. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Assertion. A person with blood group O is considered a universal recipient. Reason. Type O blood does not contain any antigens. Now it's known that group O blood carries no antigen on their cells and do not manufacture antibodies against other blood types. This blood can be safely administered to people with other blood groups. So group O people are called universal donors, not universal recipients. So as you can see, the assertion is false, but reason is true. So the correct answer is option 4. A is false, but R is true. Assertion. Legumes revive the soil fertility. Reason. Microbes in the root nodules of legumes fix the atmospheric nitrogen. Now the root nodules of leguminous plants contain nitrogen-fixing bacteria which absorb the atmospheric nitrogen and convert it into nitrogenous compounds useful for the plants, thus reviving the soil fertility. So as you can see, both the assertion and reason are true. And the reason is the correct explanation of the assertion. So the correct answer is option 1. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Assertion. Diamond is used for cutting glass. Reason. Diamond has a high refractive index. Now diamond is hard due to its rigid three-dimensional structure. So it is used for cutting glass. Refractive index of a diamond is high, and this gives it greater transparency and brilliance. So as you can see, both the assertion and reason are true, but the reason is not the correct explanation of the assertion. The correct answer is option 2. Both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. Assertion. Sprouting should not be done before consuming the grains. Reason: sprouting kills many vital vitamins. Sprouted grains should be consumed because sprouting enhances the nutrient content of the grains. So as you can see, both the assertion and the reason are false. So the correct answer is option 5. Both A and R are false. Viewers, please go through this video till you have understood the concept. Practice more such questions so that you are able to understand what is the correct approach to answering such questions correctly. Also, please do watch a video on the topic cause and effect. If you have liked this video, please like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you.